Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we'll be discussing how you can easily block the Starlink satellite access to your iPhone. What you need to do is just swipe down, and as you can see that there's an option here. Just tap on this and it will automatically open up the menu like this. As I have not installed any cellular thing into it, if you are T-Mobile user or using a T-Mobile services, you can see that there's an option will come up of satellite. You just need to tap on it and turn off the access or block the access. Another way to do it is that you just need to go to the settings, and under the settings you see the mobile service. You just need to tap on the mobile service. As I have not set up the mobile service earlier, you can see that there will be T-Mobile's option of satellite. You just need to turn it off and it will actually block the Starlink satellite access to your iPhone. I hope this video will help you out for blocking the access of Starlink to your iPhone and solving your issue. Thank you very much for watching the video. I hope this issue gets sorted out. Thank you. Bye bye.